I just want to make a quick video real quick. Anybody who has a controller like this, where it's a wired USB controller, such as this gamepad one right here, if you have problems getting it to work on your games, I found a way to get around it. So if it shows up as a USB joystick, you're going to want to go to control panel, then devices, a few more devices, and more devices and printer settings. So you're going to want to find it. I fixed it so it looks like a game controller. It would be somewhere down here. You're going to want to go to properties, hardware, and then you're going to want to hit properties again and change settings. Now you're going to have this little window right here. You're going to go to driver, and we're going to go to update driver. Now we're going to go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers and click on USB input device. There might be a couple USB joysticks. That's what it originally is, but click on USB input device, click next, let it install that. What that did for me is now it shows up as a game controller. So if I have anything, say Dolphin, that I want to be running it on, I can hit configure, it shows up, and I can click on the D input. As you can see right here, it's working. So I dealt with that for a couple of hours, figured I'd make a video just to kind of simplify that for anybody else who encounters this.